Hey, geometry students. Okay, so the group practice went long, so I want to make this one go quick. Okay, so I'm going to do this one a little bit quicker. So, in order to do this quicker, I'm going to go through it fast. Okay, so it says in the diagram, triangle NID, I don't know what a NID is, translates, this means transforms, excuse me, doesn't translate it, transforms into triangle sup. I know what sup is. It's like, what's up? Sup. Right? Okay. So, it goes from this. This is the NID. NID is my pre-image. And it becomes sup, which is my image. Right? So look at that. It goes from NID, NID is my black triangle, and sup is my blue triangle. So it goes from there to there. So quite literally, again, my model triangle that I made, I put NID inside because I can't put them on the outside. So there's NID, and it becomes sup. Well, this is a rotation. If you look at it, we did that, and NID now is where sup is, right? So NID went from where it was to here. Now, if you remember the language of geometry, it says, what are the images of angle I and point D? Well, I'm going to say, well, they're all angles, and I and D and all angles. I'm changing their question up. All the angles are, which ones are congruent? Well, angle S is congruent to angle N. So these two are the same angles. Because we just saw we rotated into this part. So angle N. Angle U, I'm doing sup, is congruent to angle I. It rotated, and that's where I would end up. And then finally, angle P. Well, angle P is congruent to angle, you guessed it, D. Now, if I didn't even see this picture, with this lovely model I made for you guys, I would also notice that, look at this. N is the first one. S is the first one. I is the second one. U is the second one. D is the third one. P is the third one. If they write it like that, if they tell you that, even if they don't show you, that's enough information right there. You could have written this. Now, I'm sorry I wrote in pencil for the first one. That, I hope, is okay for you guys to read. Next one I'm going to do is the pairs of corresponding sides. So I'm going to look at sup. Sup has three sides. SU is one side. UP is another side. And finally, PS is another side. Now, since they're congruent, they have the same size and shape, which means all these sides are congruent. Now, with this rotation I just did, I could tell you, SU is the same as NI. Remember, I put this little line up there to show it's a line segment. UP is the same as ID. And then PS is the same as DN. There you go. Okay, they are congruent, so we could say all those statements. All right, I promised I'd keep it short, so I'm stopping it now. All right, good luck, guys. Talk to you soon.